how to fix error code in Steam that you cannot trade on user 34. So this usually happens all the time if you change your Steam username multiple times. So what you want to do is just head straight into your Steam client, log in into your account. So basically, if you just recently changed your username, you need to wait at least 4 hours for you to be able to retrade or do the trading again on Steam. So just simply go into Friends. You should be able to see it at the top left portion. From Steam View, Friends, Games Help. Just go into Friends and then go to Friends List. This is where you can locate all the friends that you have from Steam, if it's either online or offline. Again, you cannot do trading on any of your friends on Steam. If you just recently changed your username on Steam, you need to wait at least 4 hours for you to be able to trade again. And that's it. That is how you fixed unable to trade with user friends on Steam error code 34.